Hey, it's H here. Today we are taking a look at technical analysis for Ethereum. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave Theory and provide targets and invalidation levels for the presented counts. Let's get going. Starting from the 1 hour chart, we have had this new structure down here coming quite deep. Let's check out what we had previously thought. So this was basically an idea where we would have a W, X and Y. Now we have come down deep enough for this whole structure to be an ABC instead. So that is going to be the main count that we're going to be following through since this low was placed here. And why is that again ABC? Just because we got more than 90% retracement of the W wave here. So not that one, so this one. So now we can call this as an A, B, and looking for the C wave possibly. Now we have a couple of different alterations here for this structure in the middle. This is one of them, saying that we have a W, X, and Y. Y came really deep here, around the 1.618, which I usually consider invalidation level. In strict rules, it's not an invalidation. For me, it's a soft invalidation, which means that if I have some other counts, I will most likely prefer those over this one. So again, with this in mind, we have a W, X and Y. On the last leg, we have an A, B and C being a zigzag. Let's go to smaller time frame to see the distinguishing wave structure here. We have 1, 2, possible another 1, 2, another 1, 2, another 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into third, fourth, third, fourth, third, fourth, third, fourth. And you can see that the whole count unraveled here. This is really good looking chart as is. There's no really other changes needs to be made. We can see that we start the divergences all the way from this third to the fifth. We do have a divergence there. This third to this fifth. We are not having too good of a divergence here. We could be counting this structure as, or one of these structures here, as some kind of running flat, which would give us the possibility to say that this is just a subwave structure inside here. But yeah, we can see loads of other divergence between these lows, third and fifth, third and fifth. Yeah, so many bullish signals here, but they still haven't really catched on yet. Maybe we are just making some kind of 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, who knows. But again, let's check out the other options here. Now this was presented before as well. We had an A, B and looking for the C wave. We did come to the minimum target and almost came down to the trend line, which was expected. We missed that just short, just a bit, like 1.5% basically. But again, we can definitely have some good looking structure here. I've created this one here as an ending diagonal, which means that we could have this as an ABC. Yeah, ABC here, and this should be micro. No, it shouldn't. We should downgrade all these counts, but yeah, it doesn't really matter the structure now. I can't remember what that was about. So yeah, ABC coming down. Both of these counts are fine. This looks a bit more refined to me, as we don't have that ABC structure. Again, however, this count has this issue where time is not considered at all. The A wave compared to C wavelength is just so bad. So there's merits to both of them. They're both ending here, at which we would be looking for 5-way structure up. So whichever you pick, it doesn't really matter too much. In that sense, these two counts are basically overlapping each other, and there's no real value coming from either of them. The thing is that having multiple counts saying towards the same targets or same target areas while they are developing, it's a good sign that there are multiple things pointing in the same direction, right? That makes the overall decision a bit better, in my opinion, at least. Now that we have some kind of bottom here, not sure if it's bottom for B or if this is still going to be in development for some reason. To me, this looks really good. We have so many different divergences here at the bottom. I would have expected already a higher bounce. I think I have 7 long setups here, or 7 different altcoins gone long here on these lows. But again, they have not really cashed in yet. Of course, we do have a weekend currently going on, and that is most likely one of the reasons that price is really stagnant and really low volume. Let's check out the volume here before we go on. We can see that there was a spike here just before the lows. That didn't really affect the price too much here. We can see different colored candles. See if open interest has something else to say on this low. Lots of volume, but open interest didn't drop too much. Okay. Yeah, there's not too many contracts open here, and even on this last leg up, we are losing contracts being opened, which means people are either taking profits or exiting their longs, not making this really strong push up. Oh well, we'll see what happens. Let's take a closer peek at this local price action before we end here. It is possible, let's see, these are not overlapping, so we could be saying that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. However, the thing is again that even though this looks fine as it is, wave 3 is even smaller than wave 1, which is not typical. Is there any other way we can label this? Well, we could see that, or say that this is some kind of ABC structure here, or WXY even. Since we have there is some kind of possible 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. We could be looking at this as a ABC here. Let's put a minuscule. That might be a 3-wave. Yeah, it is not really clear yet. There's not too much here. Again, we could be saying that this could be a 1, 2, another 1, 2, another 1, 2, which would make this a really bullish case. But again, not too much volume supporting that fact, and we'll see what happens. I'm not going to be taking any plays on Ethereum at the very moment. I don't think I have longs on ETH, as there were better setups, even better than these ones on altcoins. There was many, like 4 or 5 divergence on the lows, as we do have from here as well, but ETH is just not one of them I took longs on. But yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to share today. Link to my Discord server in the description as well, if you would like to join. Yeah, let me know if you have another coin you would like me to analyze or another asset. But yeah, that's all for now. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Bye bye.